everyone, welcome back to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe, and if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do the cascading knot ponytail. So let's get started.
Anything I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. I went ahead and put her hair into a high ponytail. I used the topsy tail to wrap her hair to cover the elastic band. And I used a wax blast just to control her hair and to have better grip. So you're going to take a section right here from the top of this ponytail. You're going to take this and split it into two sections. The right side is going to be thinner than the left side. You're going to take this and just create a knot. You're going to go under the middle strand, take your two fingers, grab the tail, and loop it and create that knot, just like this. So this tail right here, you're going to go ahead and go under the ponytail and back over to the left side. Now you have it on the left side, you're going to go ahead and get a small section and add it to that left strand, just like this. You could use water just to get better grip. So now you're going to take the main middle strand right here. You're going to go and take the left strand and go under that main middle strand and then make a loop and create that knot. Go ahead and tighten that knot, but not too tight. And again, you're going to take this tail and now go back under and over to the right side. Okay? You're going to grab a small section on the right side of that ponytail and add it with this strand right here. And then take that main middle strand here and create that knot again. Go under the main middle strand and grab it with your two fingers. And pull through and tighten it, but not too tight. Now you're going to take this tail that you just pulled through and go under the ponytail. You're going to keep repeating this every time that you do the left and the right. So again, take a small section from this side, add it to that strand, and if you want to use some water to tame those flyaways, you can, or any kind of product. Take that middle strand here and create a knot. After you create that knot, you're going to take that tail back on the opposite side. And then you just take a small section from the right side and add it to that strand. Grab that middle main strand right here and just create that knot. Tighten it up, but not too tight. Just like this, and see how it's going like a cascade? So take the tail and go back under the ponytail and back to the left side. And this is all repeated until you get down to the end. I'm going to go a little faster for time purposes only. I'm going to end it right here. I'm going to secure this off with an elastic band. And I'm just going to go back over and just pull out the outside of these here, right here. Just pancake them out, just to give it some volume and some thickness to the ponytail. I'm going to put a little hairspray, just tame those flyaways. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now, if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedback, so let us know about your success and find our videos or parts we might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the descriptions. Now this helps us to create more videos for you.
Don't forget to smash that like button
and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To watch more of us, click on over there. Love you guys, till next time.
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys, God bless.